completed in a week back, right? So today I will start the first class. So let me just go through about the, so what is BTP, right? Once again, we will discuss about the BTP and rise with SAP concepts, and also we'll discuss about the our actual topics here, right? So BTP, right? Business Technology Platform. I think everybody know about the BTP, and so you are hearing this voice from the, so all other companies like BTP, rise with SAP concepts, right? So what exactly it mean? Why it is helping to the business? Why all SAP customers are moving to the BTP, right? So why they are using the BTP? First of all, BTP services they are using, right? So SAP introduced one of the platform as a based concept in 2021. In Jan 2021, SAP introduced one of the platform as a service-based concept, PaaS, platform as a service-based concept. SAP introduced one of the powerful solution platform is called the platform BTP, right? It's a SAP integrated offering package. It's a integrated offering designed to the customers. This will help business to turn their business data into business value. Why? Because in the BTP, in this platform as a service, we have the all the services, all the tools, all the services, all the tools, and everything is available here, right? All the services, tools, technologies, databases, some of the some of the so automation kind of features all are combined into the one platform that is called the BTP here, right? Why? Because it combines databases, database management, analytics, application development related services, automation kind of functionalities, integration related services they are providing into the single unified environment, single unified environment here. So BTP primarily for mainly for primary for the SAP centric landscapes, SAP the centric landscapes here, right? But also they are extending for so non-SAP application, non-SAP systems also. It's not only for SAP, so they are extending for the non-SAP applications also. They are extending their services and solutions here, right? So the key components of the BTP, they have the five main pillars. All their services and solutions are their solutions and services they have categorized into the five main pillars here that we will call as the key components in the BTP here, right? So one is called the application development related services, right? The second one we will call it as the automation kind of functionalities. The third one we will call it as the integration related functionalities. The fourth one we will call it as the data and the analytics related services here. The fifth one, which recently SAP introduced, called the AI related services here. AI related services, AI core related services here, right? So coming to the application development side means whatever they are providing to the customers, whatever the services, solutions, right? So databases, like analytical services, all these services they have categorized into the five main pillars in the BTP here, right? So it's a platform as a service based concept. Their solutions and they have categorized into the five main services here. One is the application development. Application development means so they are providing some of the tools like SAP build tools, low code, no code. Some of the tools they are providing to develop the applications and automate the business process with minimal coding. Suppose like BAS is one of the BTP service. So those things they are providing to the SAP here. Those things they are providing to the SAP. Those related functionalities they are providing to the SAP here, right? So that is the main thing here, right? And also so automation kind of functionalities here. Automation kind of functionalities. So automation kind of functionalities means, so they have the, so they have the some services in the within the BTP. They have some services in the BTP like SAP build process automation, workflow management, so RPA, chatbots, those and all the things comes under the automation side here, right? So integration means integration suite, right? CPI, CA, so PI integration suites, right? Advanced event mesh. These and all the services will comes under the integration suite. And the next one, data and data analytics here, right? So normally, if I talk about some more information about the integration here, so it will connect to the applications, data, business process, both within the, so SAP systems using the APIs, connectors, there are the free build connectors, integrations, all will be into the integration pillar, right? So the next one is the data and analytics here, right? So they are providing the some of the databases like HANA Cloud, Sybase, Data Lake, Data Intelligence, Analytics Cloud, Data Warehouse Cloud. So those are the some analytical functionalities they are providing to the customers here, right? Next one is the AI related functionalities, right? This one they have added recently the artificial intelligence related AI core, AI foundation. This will AI capabilities. So some of the business process we need to automate it. So they have introduced the AI capabilities into the their business process, right? So that process automations work. So this kind of things they have so introduced under the AI pillar here, AI pillar here. So these solutions, are there solutions tools in that they have the some tools, they have the some applications, they have the some databases, they have the some business process. So are those services they are providing to the customers, which means BTP, maybe in one word we can say one stop solution for one stop shop for all your need, whatever you need, business need, everything they are providing under the BTP platform here. It's a one stop shop for all your need, whatever you need, all your need, so all will be available under this one. So because they're providing the development related services, automation, integration, data analytics, AI. For one business, you required so all kind of features, all in the one full pack that is called the BTP platform here, right? So who will get benefit, right? Existing customers, right? Suppose they are the one existing SAP customer, they want to extend an existing SAP solution, they want to integrate SAP and non-SAP, they want to integrate that kind of customers. So new customer, they want to directly build the new cloud solutions. In that case, they need to automate the business process. So some analytics, some machine learning application, they want to integrate it. That time they can use their BTP related services here. So organization one and organization two, old customers means existing customers and new customers. In that case, both the customers, they want to build the solution with minimum efforts and low cost, and also the faster time to gain the market, faster time to market here. These are the main things always customer looks like: low cost, minimum effort, low cost, and faster time to market here. So they don't prefer to spend the more money time on the things like landscape setups, installations, configuration, maintenance activities, all those things. It is a cost offensive. Suppose if you take the one example, suppose one customer, they need to use the ADS, some label prints and everything, they want to use it. Then in this case, what he has to do, he need to build the infrastructure, hardware procurement, he has to perform it. On top of the hardware, you need to install the operating system licenses. Then you need to install the database. You need to install the SAP NetWeaver application. Then on top of that one, you need to install the ADS functionalities. Then that has to be integrated with the SAP ECC real-time transactional system, some other systems. That way you can use the labels and the ADS functionalities and everything, you can use it. In that case, for the infrastructure, right? And also operating system, database license, and application license, then ADS licenses, all those multiple licenses he has to manage, and one dedicated team to monitor the all the supports and the OS support, hardware, and all the databases and everything, maintenance activities. Then it's a time-taking procedure, right? Time-taking procedure for the landscape setup, installation, configuration, and maintenance. So if you compare the same set of things in the BTP, directly in the BTP, directly you can take the BTP account. In that account, you can create the sub account. Directly you can start using the ADS service. Just you can pick up that service. Directly you can use the ADS service for the is business logic, which means the customers directly concentrating on the business logic instead of doing the all kind of things like installations and everything. They are directly concentrating on the business logic here, right? So directly they can pick up the service. In the next 1 hour you can directly concentrate on the so business logic side and everything. So it's reducing the time, cost is reducing time, and immediately today itself you can start doing the, you can gain the market, and you can develop the labels, printings, and all those things you can develop it here. So that kind of service, one of the ADS service which is providing in the BTP level, right? So Adobe Forms, that is one of the service which is providing here. All the listed services in the BTP we can see in the SAP Discovery Center. And there is a SAP Discovery Center here. In the Discovery Center, we can see the all the listed services, solutions, technologies, tools, databases, all will be in the under one centralized platform that is called the, so in the Discovery Center. So here we can see the all the related services here, right? You can see development related, integration related, AI related. So all the data analytics related services, everything is available in the one platform that is called the BTP services here. Total 86 services they are providing to the customers here. It's not like that you have to use the 86 services. Whatever you required for the business, you can use the related services in here. See, as I'm talking about the ADS service here, form service by Adobe. Same service ADS concept in the our SAP on-premises systems here, right? Suppose like here we have the HANA cloud also available here, Sybase cloud also available, Sybase service also available, HANA cloud also available. So if you need HANA service, what you need? You need hardware, RAM, memory, CPU, then HANA softwares you required, you need to install it, then you need to do the configuration. But here, directly just pick up the service here, just you can start using the maybe a maximum it will take 30 minutes, then you can start using the HANA service, HANA cloud service. More features are available here. So it's like a database as a service based concept here. So all whatever the on-premises features, all will be available, but additional features also available in this HANA cloud, right? So see here, simply we can pick up, and the customers will pick up. They can start using the services with the minimum here. It's a BTP is an offering from SAP to fulfill all these requirements, and BTP is a portfolio of the all the SAP solutions and services that are brought under one umbrella. Because in one umbrella, we have all the listed services and solutions are available here, right? In another words, if I say like, so BTP is a bundle of many different services, tools, applications, and monitoring services. Everything will be available under one umbrella. It's a bundle. It's a platform to give you the access to the all these services and applications here. All these services and applications, it is giving the platform here, right? That is the main thing of the BTP here, right? So and also we can extending the our suppose example, if I talk about the SAP side, we can extending the SAP S4HANA functionality without modifying the so core code, and also creating the mobile apps and also web apps for the business workflows, integrating the SAP and the third-party applications easily, and also real time dashboards for the decision making, and also automating the repeated tasks. There are some repeated tasks we can automate it using the AI core functionality. This kind of futures use cases we have, right? So here SAP, here the infrastructure side, SAP will provide the public cloud and private clouds also SAP is providing, which means fully managed by SAP on the major cloud providers. On the major cloud providers, SAP will manage the all the infrastructure parts and everything. SAP will manage it here, right? In the private cloud, it combines the cloud services in the on-premises SAP systems, and you can also integrate. You can also suppose like, sir, my customer already in the on-premises, they are already using the some of the SAP services. Can I use the some of the BTP related applications? Yes, they can use it here, right? Sir, my customer already in the AWS cloud, so our Azure cloud, they are in the SAP. Can I use the BTP and Rise with SAP concept? Yes, you can use it here. Sir, what is this new word you mentioned like Rise with SAP? Right? In the BTP, Rise with SAP, you are talking what is about these two words. These two are two distinct, but these all are the complementary offering packages from the SAP that when used together, we will use this together, Rise with SAP and BTP, that helps the business to modernize their operations, move to the cloud, and innovate more innovate the applications more efficiently. We can use this Rise with SAP. So SAP, the Rise with SAP concept is like it's like a one offering, one package, one license. All futures, SAP futures, you can use it here, right? One contract, one licensing. You can use full-fledged. You can use the all the BTP related services and solutions. You can use it here, right? So that's why SAP introduced the Rise with SAP concepts. Rise with SAP, they have introduced it here. This is mainly the Rise with SAP is mainly for the moving the existing ERP clean core to existing ERP system to the S4 on a cloud clean core. We can move to the here either public cloud or private cloud. We can move to the S4 on a cloud existing. Then after that, after moving, that needs to be integrated with the some other futures functionalities. That time they have to use the BTP related services and solutions here. It's a Rise with SAP is like a business transformation as a service concept here. Business transformation. So as a service based concept here, right? It bundles everything, whatever the company needs to move to the cloud, it bundles everything here. It runs on the S4 cloud in a simplified and subscription based model. Subscription based model. So then why BTP comes into the picture here, right? So actually BTP is one of the component in the Rise with SAP, first of all, right? In their offering packages, BTP is one of the Rise with SAP here. So the key components, if I talk about the key components of the BTP here, right? Key components in the BTP, key components here. If I talk about the key components here, here we have the S4 HANA cloud, either public or private. So S4 HANA cloud here. And also one more component we have in the BTP is called the BPI, Business Process Intelligence, for the process for analyzing and optimizing here, right? And also the third key component in the BTP, so business network and the starter pack here. Business network, the starter pack here, right? For the supply chain collaboration, that purpose they will use this key component here, right? The third one is called the so limited like SAP build and other development tools here. Other development tools here. There are some tools also they are providing for that customers here. Then the next one we will call it as the next one we will call it as the SAP BTP credits, which we are now talking about the SAP where BTP. This is where BTP fits in all the full-fledged services. Whatever I am talking here, this is all the full-fledged services will be under the this fifth point here, right? So that's where the is one of the key component in the Rise with SAP. Key component in the Rise with SAP here, right? So let's talk about the how the BTP integrates with the RISE with SAP here, right? So BTP is not included fully in the RISE, but with SAP, but it's tightly integrated. It's not included, but it's tightly integrated and can be so purchased along with the BTP and RISE with. Means if you have the RISE with SAP, your services, your on-premises ECC, everything is moved to the S4HANA cloud on the BTP, then you will get the BTP credits and you have to definitely use the some of the services in the BTP side here, right? So it will enhance the BTP, enhance the RISE with SAP like extensions. It will create the side-by-side extension for the S4HANA cloud using the BTP without modifying the code and everything. And also integration. Suppose you want to integrate with the SAP systems and the non-SAP systems, we have the integration suite that is available in the BTP. Analytics, right? If you want to leverage the analytics cloud and the data house and advanced reporting and dashboards, then analytics related functionalities in the BTP side. We want to build the custom maps using the SAP build and cap, wrap. Then in this case, you need to use the BTP related functionalities. And also if you want to automate the some of the workflows and repeated tasks using the so build process automation, you need to use the automation kind of functionalities here, right? So if you want to embed it with the some of the intelligence features like AI, ML related features into the your business values, then you can use the AI related functionalities in the BTP, right? So that's why you can use it here, right? Normally now ERP system is moving to the RISE, which means they are moving to the S4HANA cloud. They are going to the S4HANA cloud here. When the ERP system move to the S4HANA cloud, it's a managed service. Why? Because SAP will manage the all the infrastructure layer and support model also will change in that RISE with SAP concept here, right? If a company adopt RISE with SAP to move ERP to the cloud, and they need to use the BTP to integrate the some of the functionalities. They need to build a custom onboarding. Suppose if they want to automate the some of the processing, if they want to extend the S4HANA to support the sub pricing model, or without touching the clean core and everything, they need to definitely the company move to the S4HANA, they need to use the BTP related functionalities here, right? So for the transform the core ERP, simplifies the core journey and standardize the process and subscription based ERP, they need to use it here. Summary, RISE with SAP is like a core ERP modernization, and it's a like a cloud journey. Your ERP system is going to the cloud, mean it's a cloud journey. It's a core core ERP modernization system here, right? So and also BTP, they need to definitely integrate the BTP solutions and services to integrate the integrate, extend their automate the functionalities and everything. They are better together, they can use for their business for the for the to achieve their successful business functions and everything, they have to use it here, right? So suppose like if I talk about the one of the real time real time study, right? Real time one of the example like how one company using the BTP related services here, right? Suppose like if you take the Prestige Group, one of the best example, Prestige Groups, right? Normally everybody know like this Prestige Group in India, right? Prestige Group, right? This is the customer, this is the company, right? Prestige Group example here, right? So they are more for the residential, commercial, real estate in India, right? So the before implementing, they have the challenges like so manual workflows, right? Manually the workflows and disconnected systems. They have operational visibility. There is no operational visibility. There is no scalability, and the payments also get delayed. And especially as the group aim to grow the field, right? So then in that case, they have many challenges. They have many challenges here. So then in this case here, so they have implemented the solution is called the Rise with SAP, Rise with SAP HANA, means S4HANA Cloud Private Edition they have implemented here, right? They went to the Rise with SAP, Rise with SAP S4HANA, the private cloud, they went to the private cloud edition. In that case, the solution they have implemented, they have integrated not only just Rise with SAP, whoever the customer they went to the Rise with SAP, they also need to integrate with BTP also to automate the workflows, to build the customer service portals and support real-time data loss. All those things they have integrated all those things into the BTP also here. So the outcome, they have automated the 100% of, so 100% of, so the grievance management. Normally in the Prestige group, they will use the grievance management for the, so manual interventions, and also the communication process. There are a lot of communications they have to do it. So then there are, I mean, separate team is required for that. There are queries and all those things. In that case, so they have implemented the grievance management via chatbots, reduced the manual intervention in the communication process and everything here. So that they have reduced the all the manual intervention. So the chatbots will take care of the all those things. Chatbots means definitely BTP related things here, right? So they have enabled 30,000. I heard that the 30,000 plus customers across the property documents, right? Pay online, view the real-time data, all those things they have implemented here. And also they have delivered the efficiency, the agency efficiently, agent efficiently, better customer experience, streamline their operations across the India, all those things. So they have implemented this Rise with SAP concept here. Rise with SAP they have implemented. Then they have integrated with the BTP services to automate their business process and everything here. So that the futures, like it's a clean core approach here, right? Custom logic handled in the BTP extensions, keeping the ERP clean core upgrading friendly, right? Integrated the ecosystems here, right? Automate the process, analytics, UI layers. So multiple layers, multiple things they have integrated, business value, right? The growth. So many things they have integrated here, right? So that's why the many customer they use the BTP to keep ERP core clean and agile, and also reducing the code in the S4HANA systems here, right? The customers are migrating onto the Rise with SAP. Oftenly they include Rise with SAP means infrastructure layer managed by SAP, the hosting, DB, cloud operations, everything. While customization, integration, code adjustments, testing led by the customers. That will be continue to led by the customers. Means support model is getting changed here, which means so infrastructure managed by SAP, whereas customization, integration, code adjustments, testing, it continue to be led by the customer and our other implementation, customer related implementation partner. They will take care of the all those things here. All those things they will take care of this part here, right? So that is the BTP, right? So BTP also we have the some pricing model. BTP also we have the some account model. BTP also we have the account structure. Let's talk about more on the our actual topic BTP, right? So then BTP also we have the some account structure here. Why? Because BTP means it's not a directly system SAP is providing. BTP is not a like directly network they are providing. BTP is not like a just to some kind of like tool or that one. BTP is like a platform they are providing to the customers where you can design the our landscape and each and everything, right? How the BTP architecture should be here, right? So BTP, it's like a SAP will provide the one global account to you. SAP will provide you the one global account to you. Inside of the global account, SAP will provide all the listed services, whatever the listed services you have in the discovery center, the listed services and everything they will provide you in the global account level, right? In this global account level, they will provide all the listed services. From here, you need to build the one sub account or multiple sub accounts. You need to build it like development quality. The production sub accounts you need to create it here, right? So there is a development sub account, there is a quality sub accounts, there is a production sub account here, right? So like that, we have to build the this sub accounts here. 1, 2, and 3. Under the global account, we need to build the these sub accounts here, right? So then, if your customer, if you have the existing customers, then they are in the on-premises landscape here. If you are in the on-premises landscape here, in the on-premises, you have the one development SAP system, quality SAP system, and you have the production SAP systems you have here. Then in this case, you can this sub account you need to integrate with the development SAP, quality SAP, and production SAP. You can integrate to the here, right? So this is the SAP landscape here. This is in the customer premises, customer network, either public cloud or or any other cloud provider customer is using. This is the customer network. So this will be in the SAP network. This is in the public SAP network here. Why? Because SAP will provide the global account is in the public network. You don't need any VPN. You don't need any other services to connect to the BTP accounts and everything. It's in the public. It's in the internet. You can access the all the BTP URLs and BTP accounts and everything here, right? So that way. So here to connect from the public SAP network, then your customer network, you should require the cloud connectors interfaces are required here. So then cloud connectors are required. So then either you install the one cloud connector or multiple cloud connector, that is your wish. But cloud connectors integrations are required so that you can integrate all your BTP sub accounts into the so your on-premises systems. Then in the BTP sub account level, you have the listed services are available here. Whatever the service, like whatever the tool, whatever the application, whatever the service, that one you can use it. The services will go and pull the data from the backend ECC or S4HANA, whatever the system, then it will show the data in the application side, right? So here, as we need to know what is global account, this is the structure of the BTP. Then in that, we should know about the what is the how to get the BTP global account, what is the types of global account, what is the pricing structure of the global account here, what is the licensing model for the BTP global account here. Then after that, it's your responsibility to build the sub accounts level. It's your responsibility to integrate it, the cloud connectors, integrate the backend systems, into build the solutions and everything. SAP responsible to give the one global account to you. Then you need to work on that part here, right? So then how many, what are the types of global account we have in the BTP, right? So types of account models we have in the BTP. They are the two types of accounts we have in the BTP. There are the two types of accounts. One is the pre-trial account, trial accounts. Second one is called the another enterprise accounts, trial accounts and enterprise accounts here. Trial accounts and BTP enterprise accounts we have here, right? So what is mean by trial accounts? Trial accounts are like a, it's a free. Trial accounts are like a free here. Free means it's a up to, there are the some limitations SAP is giving. Then up to 90 days license period you will get it out. Up to 90 days you can use the all the BTP trial accounts, you can use it. Up to 90 days all that BTP trial accounts you can use it here, right? So this trial period, there are the some limitations with respect to the usage of the BTP services and solutions, right? So this is the free, any like students or anyone want to do the POC trainings, that they can use the all the training accounts. You can use it just with the simple your Gmail ID with the mobile number verification. You can get the all the trial accounts. We can get it out from the BTP trial accounts. We can get it out absolutely free, no charges in the BTP trial accounts here. That I will help you how to get the BTP trial accounts, right? So enterprise accounts are the where we will the licensing model will be applied for the enterprise accounts here. Enterprise accounts where are the licensing model will be applied here. So this is the place where you need to some credit card authentication or you need to company account manager, we need to have a agreement with the SAP, depends upon the licensing model here. So we have the licensing model for the enterprise accounts, not the trial accounts here, right? So here, if I talk about the more about the trial accounts here, so what exactly means this 90 days, the trial period is divided into the two intervals here. One is the first 30 days, you have to regularly log into the trial accounts, then it is the auto extended to the another 60 days, means another 60 days it will be extended, total 90 days here. So means you created the BTP account, means you need to maybe first 30 days, 1 or 2 days you need to regularly signing in, then once auto it will be extended to the another remaining days, it will be auto extended here. And also the trial accounts, you will get the limited GB, that is called the 4 GB limited free memory, you will get it out. That 4 GB free memory only you will deploy the applications, you need to use the applications here. I will give you the more details in the, so what is the applications, what is the instance, what is the services, means I can give you just high level. So then enterprise accounts, we have the, there is no, so there is no like limitations here, you can use up to whatever you want, whatever the limitations you have, you can use it here, there is no limitation. Why? Because the billing will start when you start using the applications in the enterprise account here. Suppose you have started using the AI core, then you want to build the some applications, mean then based upon the consumption, your billing will start in the enterprise accounts here, based upon the consumption only our billing will start it here, right? So that we will discuss more details in the our regular classes, actual classes. Just for high level, which model we will the licensing, the pricing will be applied, and all those things here, right? So in the demo time already discussed about the, during the demo already given the some information about the how the SAP entered into the PaaS market, right? That one I already given the enter, right? In so 2011, so right, they have entered into the PaaS market. After that, they have, so just we give you the high level. So in 2011, actually, they have entered into the PaaS market. PaaS means platform as a service market. That time they have entered into the their NetWeaver cloud is called the SAP NetWeaver cloud. That normally short name is called the Neo. NetWeaver Cloud on Demand, right? So that time they have entered into the this map fast market here. Then after that they have so implemented, they have changed their naming conventions and they have renamed to the, so SAP HANA Cloud Platform, HANA Cloud Platform here, right? Normally we will call it as the so HCP on a cloud platform here, right? So then after that here on a cloud platform here. Then after that they have dropped the HANA word. They have dropped the HANA word here. Then they have named it as the HCP, SAP Cloud Platform. This one, maybe if your members are aware of the time SAP Cloud Platform, mobility platforms, then we are aware of this one. Then after that, so they have introduced the more tools, services, and everything. So this brand SAP Cloud Platform brand not better reflecting their word in the future, means for business. So then they have rebranded SAP Cloud Platform. They have rebranded SCP2. So then BTP Business Technology Platform. That way the BTP word comes. So Business Technology Platform here, right? So, but the core is same. The core of the cloud platform is same. SCP is same, but they have providing more than the cloud tools, services, applications, development tools, like right automation tools. They are providing more than that. So it's not limited to the cloud, there it's reflecting more than that. That's why so they have rebranded their word to the BTP Business Technology Platform here, right? So this is about the, naturally more I discussed in the demo topic time as well. Maybe you can refer the demo video also. Just high level I'm giving how we have rebranded, and this is the architecture. Then followed by the our actual classes, we will discuss about the first is the account structure. BTP account structure here. So what types of accounts, what is the licensing model for the pricing? This is what you need to understand clearly, right? Pricing model. Why? Because we are the first persons. So customer who will interact with us, then we need to do the solutioning for the customers, right? So like what are the pricing model, licensing models, and this and all the things we should know. Then only we can solution to the customers, right? That way our journey will start. So that's why we'll start first with the types of accounts, then we'll go with the licensing model clearly. In that licensing model also there are the types of licensing model, then which licensing model is applicable for the which customer depends upon the nature of the customer. Then we can suggest this licensing model. Then first of all we need to understand the what is the customer business, customer wants to go, what you want to automate, what you want to do. Based on that we can suggest the listed services, then we can check the remaining things here. That way we'll start our BTP journey in our classes here. Okay, that's it for today, everybody. Just small information today. Why? Because since today is our first class, there are some people will in, some people will go out, and to stabilize these things, 1 or 2 classes we have to go introduction. But so going forward, we have